Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is third question of its exercise 11.4. So the question says that given Munnu's age to be x year, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Hint, think of Munnu's younger brother. Can you guess what x plus 4 may show? What 3x plus 7 may show? So part A. Munnu's age हमें given है x year. So x minus 2. So ये जगह he is 2 years younger than Munnu. X plus so. So x plus 4. He is 4 years elder than Munnu. 3x plus 7. He is elder than Munnu and his age is 7 years more than 3 times of the age of Munnu. Part B is given Sara's age today to be y years, think of her age is in the future or in the past. What will the following expression indicate? Y plus 7, y minus 3, y plus 4. So y plus 4 and half, y minus 2 and half. So first लेंगे हम y plus 7. Y plus 7. So जनरली ही और शी कुछ भी हो सकता है, हम ही काउंट करके चलेंगे. तो ही इज 7 years elder than Sara. Y minus 3. So he is 3 years younger than Sara. Next, y plus 4 and half. Y plus 4 and half. So he is 4.5 years elder than Sara. Y minus 2.5. So he is 2.5 years younger than Sara. Part C is हमारे पास गिवन है n स्टूडेंट्स एक क्लास में है जो फुटबॉल लाइक करते हैं. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है 2n क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है एंड 2/n क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो 2n shows the student students in the class who likes football or some other games. Whereas n by 2 shows students who like tennis out of the total number of students who like football. Thank you.